Hi, welcome to the SM Tech channel. This video is going to demonstrate how to use tablet mode. To begin, click on the notifications icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then click on tablet mode. When your screen pops up like this, you are in tablet mode. And this works best when your tablet is folded in half with the keyboard not showing. Now, press on Chrome. Tap on the search bar with your stylus, and you can write out what you want to search. And click on the result that you want. You can hold down on the Windows button and it will pull up a menu. Click on Search, and you can write out what you want to search up. You can also see all of your apps in one place by pressing in the top left corner. Tablet mode is a great way to enhance your efficiency when you are writing with your stylus.